Alors voici le petit module de Japanglish que j'ai créé sur Memrise. Donc voici le site, le nom du cours Japanglish. Et puis ensuite, donc vous atterrissez ici. Vous pouvez cliquer sur Apprendre. Voilà ce que ça donne. House, ok. Gurasu, j'ai découpé et j'ai mis un espace pour chaque élément de la syllabe. Mort. Hop. Donc vous pouvez faire ceci, gurasu, glace. Et vous avez aussi des parties comme ça, plutôt court. To resyllabify a consonant cluster, which vowel is generally used? Vowel pour tout. Hop, c'est le U. Ok. Keiki. Glace. À l'intérieur, vous avez des éléments de cours. Donc par exemple là, to resyllabify, c'est toujours, on révise petit à petit. Je les ai insérés à l'intérieur du module. Pas pour les, je les ai pas mis tous au début. Keiki. House. Miracle. Resyllabify a consonant cluster. Voyez le fourre-tout. Gurasu. Donc voilà, c'est assez facile. And you can actually leave the level. Sometimes it's a little bit too slow. Go back. And you can choose to ignore some words that you know by heart. So, for example, you can choose to say, okay, house, now I know it by heart now, house, so that's fine. Name, I know it, so I'm going to ask the program to avoid this one. There's these ones I need to revise, so I'm just going to uncheck them. And then I want to do, if you want to be a bit faster, you can use rapide, révision rapide, but it's usually based on words that you have officially learnt. Okay, so let's save the ignore sessions. You can just do the quick revision as well. Ooh, what is that? Alright, so you've got to pay, you can do it once and then you've got to pay, I suppose. Oh no, that's fine then. Okay. Endo. You have to be super fast. Biru. Handle name. Milk. Quick. Endo. That's it. So here's a way for you to revise. So you'll be prompted, in the exam you'll be prompted an English word and some of these questions as well and you'll have to answer and resyllabify it into Japanglish. So I'll change the title here. It's not French, but Japanglish. Sorry. And that's it. So it's quite useful. If you want to leave, just click on that cross over there. And you can share it to your colleagues as well. Okay, either you use a Facebook account or not, or you just go there, click on the link, and this should be enough. Let's have a try. Yeah, so if you send this link to a colleague, they'll be able to use it, to use this course and revise there. Okay, thank you.